Hi viewers, welcome to our channel RGS Info. This video is about how to prepare statement of post-dated checks in Excel and its format. First thing is we have to understand why should we prepare statement of PDC. The main object is check valid period is only 3 months. Within that period, particular party, whoever received the check, should present the check in bank and should be encashed. Otherwise, the check will be stale one. Check date, we have to keep track of fund flow, fund management in bank. Which bank the check is issued, favoring should be properly mentioned, party name, okay. Then particulars, it's very important. Then amount. Amount is very important. Based on amount only, the fund should be kept aside. There is possibility that the party can keep accumulate 2-3 checks and can present in a bank at a time, so we can expect that the fund should be surplus so that the at a time 2 checks is cleared. Status symbol is whether the check is presented in time and encashed or not, we have to mention in status, so that once it is completed we can ignore the balance in the particular account. Otherwise, if it is a pending, then we have to watch every day whether this check is presented or not. So based on that, we have to keep fund in the particular bank account. If it is cleared, please mention as a cleared or completed. And if in case if it is rejected, if it is not presented in bank, simply put pending. Like that, every time we have to keep track of checks, whether the check is presented or not. We have to interact with the party whether the check is presented in bank. Based on that, we have to keep the fund in bank. This is the main task for preparation of post-dated check statement. If you like this video, please share it, comment it, please do subscribe our upcoming videos. Thank you.